Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix Microsoft Store error, check your internet connection. So how to fix it in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, first method is set your Windows date or time properly. Right click on date, adjust date or time and select here time zone according to your country, and after that set time automatically off and on. Okay, and after that click here sync now option. Okay, set your date time properly here. This is the first method. Second method, click here search option and type here servics.msc under this search box. Click here run as administrator. Okay, and after that find here update service, this service. Okay, right click on it and click here properties and select here automatic under startup type, apply and then click on OK button. Okay, this service should be running here. After that click here Microsoft Store install service. Okay, and right click on it and click here stop and right click again and click here start. Okay, this service should be running here. Restart here, click on it and after that close this window. And second method is right click on start button and click here run and type here under open box WSRESET. Okay, .exe and click here OK button. So guys, here Microsoft Store gets launched automatically. So you can see here no error message displayed here. So guys, if your problem is not fixed here, then we are going for next method. Click on start button and click here settings and after that click here update window. Your Windows should be up to date here. Okay, install all updates here on your Windows and after that check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.